Welcome to our channel. If you want to shield your personal assets from business tax debts, follow these step-by-step instructions to create proper separation and protection. Step 1. Choose a business structure that provides liability protection, such as an LLC or corporation, rather than operating as a sole proprietorship where you're personally liable. Step 2. Properly form and maintain your business entity by filing articles of organization or incorporation with your state and keeping all filings current. Step 3. Keep business and personal finances completely separate. Never commingle funds or use business accounts for personal expenses or vice versa. Step 4. Maintain adequate capitalization in your business. Underfunded businesses can lead to piercing the corporate veil, exposing personal assets. Step 5. Follow all corporate formalities, including holding required meetings, maintaining minutes, and making decisions in the company's name, not personally. Step 6. Sign contracts and documents in your capacity as a business representative, never personally. Use your title and make clear you're acting on behalf of the company. Step 7. File all business tax returns accurately and on time. Responsible person penalties for unpaid payroll taxes can pierce entity protection. Step 8. Obtain adequate business insurance, including general liability and professional liability coverage. Consider umbrella policies for additional protection. Consult with both a business attorney and CPA to ensure maximum asset protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.